Hello dear aspirants, this is Dr. Sourav Sir's classes. Our contact number is 98367930076. Again, I am repeating our contact number, which is 98367930076. And our email ID is souravsirclasses@gmail.com. So if you have any mathematical queries, doubts, or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call on this number, or you can you can WhatsApp also. Rather, you can drop an email to our email ID, which is written in the screen. Then you can join our regular batches, one-on-one sessions, and our online classes, so that will be beneficial for your preparation of upcoming examinations like ISI, CMI, TIFR, NBHM, etc. So please feel free to contact if you need any help from us. Okay, so now we are going to solve a mathematical problem which is appeared in the year of 2024 in the question paper of PUMDET, and the question is telling us that the complete integral of the partial differential equation del z del x into del z del y equals to 2xy is, there are four options here. So first option is telling us z equals to x square plus y square equals to c plus c. Option B is telling us that z is equals to half x square plus y square plus c, and option C is telling us that z equals to x square minus y square plus c, and option D is telling us that z equals to x square y square plus c. So let us think what can we do for from the given information. So we can say that we know that the del z del x, that can be called as p, and we know that can be called as q. So our given equation is pq equals to 2xy. Okay, so this is our given differential equation here. So now, so we are going to use the separation of variables to solve this question. So assume a solution of the form of this. Let me write with another color. Yeah. So let us take z equals to fx plus g of y. Okay. So now our p is what? So p is equals to f dash x, and our q will be equals to g dash y. Okay, so we can easily see that our pq will be now f dash x into g dash y, that is equals to our 2xy. Okay, so after that we can write as f dash x upon x, and that will be 2y upon g dash y. So now after that, since the left hand side depends only on x and the right hand side depends on only on y, both must be equal to a constant, say that is equals to some k. Okay, so we can write that our f dash x is equals to some kx, and our g dash y will be some, or rather we can write that 2y upon g dash y, that will be equals to k. Okay, so from this we can write that if we take the integration of this in both sides with respect to x, then we will get fx, that is equals to our kx square by 2 plus c. Let us call it c1. Okay, so That is our C1 is the a constant of integration. So from this we can write that our g dash y will be 2y upon k. So we can write that, that means we are taking the integration with respect to y in both of the sides. Let us write 2 by k outside. So we will get y dy in between this. So after that we can write our, this will be g of y. So that will be 2y square upon k into 2. So 2 and 2 will be cancelled out, plus c2. C2 be the arbitrary constant, or that means constant of integration in this case. So we will get g of y will be my y square upon k plus c2. So, so what is our z now? That is equals to fx plus gy. So that will be now kx square upon 2 plus y square upon k, plus that will be c1 plus c2. So let us call it some big constant. So that will be c. Okay. So if we point the value of k at 1, then we will get half x square plus y square plus c. So that will be the correct solution of this question. So this is the complete integral of the partial differential equation which is given in the uh, question. So our correct answer of this question will be our option B. Okay. So again, I am telling that if you have any other mathematical queries, doubts or anything, so please feel free to contact on this number. That means you can call or WhatsApp also, and you can drop an email to our email ID. Then you can join as a student to our institution. Then you can enjoy all the services of Dr. Sourav's classes. Okay. Thank you guys. Hope you understood. Thank you.